Hi, I'm attorney Jim Desmond. I only handle car wrecks in Kentucky and Indiana. Today I wanted to talk to you about the damage to your car and when the insurance company calls it a total loss. First thing, right off the bat, if you have a personal injury attorney and he says, I'm not going to handle the property damage claim, I'm going to tell you to run another direction. I'm sorry, but I will, okay? I don't charge fees off a property damage claim. If everything goes right, we shouldn't even have to be involved. That doesn't mean a client can't contact me and that I can't do a letter or phone calls or whatever it might be to help negotiate that claim. So again, as a personal injury attorney, yes, I'm focusing on the personal injury claim and the medical bills, but in the same respect, my client's vehicle doesn't run. I want to do something to get it running and or replaced as soon as possible. Second thing, clients say all the time, I don't want my car totaled, all right? If the repair costs are 70, it's either 70 or 75%, I'm blanking, I apologize. 70 or 75% of the fair market value, what that car is worth, the law requires the insurance company to total it out. So you don't have a choice. So yes, they can say, we're not required to fix it, we can total it out. Then if that happens, they owe you the fair market value, what the car was allegedly worth, okay? If it's not required to be totaled out, then yes, you take it to a body shop of your choosing, they get you in there to get it fixed. They put you in a rental car while it's being fixed, and ultimately the car comes back, and hopefully it's in halfway decent shape thereafter. On property damage, that's most of what I want to say to you kind of right off the bat. People don't understand you don't have the decision making on whether the car is totaled or not. And I will say this, one other quick little caveat. I've had some clients over the years say, a car has sustained literally $15,000 or $20,000 worth of damage and they don't want it totaled out. In my opinion, from when I've dealt with my clients, if a car has had a serious hit and you can get the car totaled out, go ahead and do it. Let it be totaled out. One more point. I'm sorry, I will go a different way with it. Fair market value is what they owe you. If you owe more than the car is worth, okay, yes, you can be left holding the difference. So the car is worth 15, you owe 18,000 on it. You could be left holding that $3,000 difference. Two things you want to do. One, look for gap insurance if you bought it initially when you bought the car. Two, argue the car is worth more, okay? But give that insurance company evidence to do so. Pull it off cars.com, autotrader.com, show the repair receipts, show why that car is different. Do those things, okay? Because you can't just say, it's worth more, you're getting it wrong. You got to be able to give that insurance company something to document. My name is attorney Jim Desmond. I only handle car accidents in Kentucky and Indiana. I use my cell phone so you can reach me and we can get these questions answered directly. That number is the number below, 502-609-7657. I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks again. You have a great day.